Okay, here we go. SB Box Breaks, 12 boxes of Christmas break. Number 6, 13-14, Rookie Anthology Hockey. I'm going to read who everyone has quickly. Chris has Colorado, Zog, Nashville, Bandyman, Montreal, Rocky, St. Louis, Patrick, Detroit, David Davidov, Edmonton, Patrick DeFossas, that is, it has Detroit, Andre Belanger, Pittsburgh, Keith Thomas, Tampa, Zog Kendrick, Boston, Vince Vetro, Florida, Bill Lavin, Chicago, Danton Chalmers, Vancouver, Andre Belanger, Los Angeles, Keith Thomas, Dallas, Austin Howlett, Calgary, Patrick Fortin, Buffalo, Joe Martell, Leafs, Jordan, San Jose, Nolan Hockey Cards, Rangers, Joe Martell, New York Islanders, Don Tyan, Ottawa, Carl Bryant, Winnipeg, Mason Walde, Anaheim, David Young, Minnesota, Joe Martell, New Jersey, Luke Larry, Philadelphia, Dominic Noel, Washington and Arizona, and Austin Howlett, Columbus and Carolina. Okay, here we go on the box. Pack number 1. Good luck, guys. Product that's full of hits. Base. Score base. We have right off the bat, rookie selection for the Dallas Stars. Numbered out of 249, Alex Chiasson. And base. Base. We have a hot rookies for the Dallas Stars, Kevin Connauton. We have a redemption for a 2013 Panini Rookie Anthology Score Update Hot Rookie Signature for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Morgan Rielly. Morgan Rielly for the Leafs. Decoy. And base. Base. We have a hot rookies for the Carolina Hurricanes, Elias Lindholm. We have a Prism rookie for the Montreal Canadiens, Michael Bournival. And base. Base. We have a hot rookies for the Minnesota Wild, Matt Dumba. We have a Prism rookie for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Jeff Zatkoff. And base. Base. We have a hot rookies for the Dallas Stars, Alex Chiasson. Prism base and base. Base. We have a hot rookies for the New Jersey Devils, John Merrill. We have a select rookie for the Edmonton Oilers, Brad Hunt. And base. It's a thicker pack. I'll save it. Base. Score base. We have a rookie gear for the Vancouver Canucks, Nicholas Jensen. And base. Base. We have a hot rookies gold for the Calgary Flames, Max Reinhart. Select base and base. Base. We have a Prism Refractor rookie for the Edmonton Oilers, Luke Gazdic. And a select base and base. Last pack, it's a thick one. Let's hope for something nice. Base. Score base. Base. We have a select Prism Auto for the Arizona Coyotes, Jordan Schwartz. That concludes the break. I'm afraid to say the hit streak somewhat comes to an end. And now I'll random off the Jamie Devane. Go to 68. 3 times. Once. Nolan Hockey Cards on top, Austin Howlett on the bottom. Twice. Mason Waldy on top, Andre Belanger on the bottom. And the final time, the card goes to Nolan Hockey Cards. Congrats, Nolan.